Hello, Cameron here. Just out in the King Country between Tikawiti and Pew Pew, setting up a new SmartDrill. Nathan blew it. He's just taken delivery of this morning. So I've got it on a 720 Fendt tractor. So this one's running isobus, this drill, so it's all run through the screen in combination with the GPS, so the tractor can turn the drill on and off for where it comes in and out of the runs. So that's pretty cool. So Nathan's just upgraded from a Tyne drill. Some of the paddocks here had quite a lot of trash, willow weed and thicker thistle patches, and the Tyne drill was blocking up and couldn't drill with it. So we've just delivered this to Nathan this morning. Part of the deal was that it had to be able to drill through this, so we've done 4 or 5 hectares so far and haven't had a block up. So yeah, quite cool working into this heavier trash ground. The soil was very light, like an ash soil. You can see here, so, and not a massive deal of thatch, just quite heavy weed with not a lot of thatch, so it pulls very easily, and the SmartDrill's cutting through that quite nicely. Then the Guttler roller is smashing up any of the weed left behind. You can see there how it's breaking that down, quite a thick clump there, so leaving quite a nice finish behind it. So, and handling the hills quite well. You can see it's fairly up and down this paddock. You can see the farm got a drill up there next, so following the contour really nicely in the steeper conditions. So just quite a cool setup this morning. Thought I'd show you guys that. Cheers.